Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 23rd, and this is my recap of the top videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a very strong push down on gold. Definitely a really good trade on Friday. I still have some suspicions about this continuing the downtrend, especially with these 5 waves up right here and this 1, 2, 3 wave pattern here and this 1, 2, 3 wave down. I think this may actually be either an expanding flat or a running flat correction. If it's a running flat, then it will make a higher high, maybe at one of these fib levels and continue the uptrend. If it's an expanding flat, then it possibly will go down, make a lower high or like an equal bottom before it actually may end up continuing the uptrend. So definitely keep an eye out for those running and expanding flats. They seem to be everywhere nowadays. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. Like I was just explaining, it may actually continue down quite a bit. If it makes a 3-way pullback, if it makes an impulsive move down, continue to look for shorts until you either get a Fibonacci bounce or a break of structure, which if I see that right there, it will definitely turn me back into a buyer. If I don't see that picture, then I'll continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, especially on anything on the 1 hour time frame and below. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.